From the serene landscape of North Ubud to the heart of Bali's finest restaurants in Canggu, indulge yourself with our top picks of family villas, ready for you to move in. Located in the vibrant heart of Peranan, this property enjoys a strategic yet serene location, tucked away from the bustling main street. Set on a generous 630 square meters of land, the villa boasts an expansive living area of 244 square meters across 2 floors. The price starts from $1,095,000. This villa perfectly embodies the harmonious blend of tranquil living and convenient accessibility. Located just 10 minutes of drive away from Montessori School Bali and Alam Atelier Preschool. Whether you are looking for a private family residence or a prestigious investment property with a freehold title in a highly sought-after location, this opportunity is truly exceptional. A stunning 4-bedroom contemporary villa in the heart of Canggu Berawa, less than 2 kilometers away from Pro-Ed Global School. Set on a generous 1,400 square meters plot, it features 4 spacious bedrooms, each with private ensuite bathrooms, an open-concept living and dining area. The villa ensures privacy while blending Indonesian craftsmanship with modern Western amenities. An amazing and rare opportunity to obtain a state-of-the-art upscale 5-bedroom home. Located in the traditional Balinese fisherman village of Ese, 10 minutes drive away from Bloom Boutique Atelier Preschool. Priced at $750,000 with an annual rental option of $75,000. The property is located on a charming and private 500 square meters plot of land with stunning views of the surrounding landscapes of rice fields and mountains on the horizon. This villa is part of an exclusive development in Tumbak Bayou, offering breathtaking sunset views over lush green pandan forests and a serene river. This location provides a perfect escape while still being conveniently close to Canggu's top hotspots, beautiful beaches, and 15 minutes drive from Montessori School or Skywalker Academy. Designed with a modern, contemporary aesthetic, the villa sits on a 730 square meters freehold plot, complemented by a 314 square meters leasehold plot, providing a total of 406 square meters of luxurious living space across 2 levels. The villa includes 3 spacious bedrooms, each with private ensuite bathrooms. 2 bedrooms are located on the top floor, while the 3rd has direct access to the garden on the ground floor, making it perfect for families. Nestled in the tranquil charm of Sanur, this brand new modern boutique villa is a perfect blend of luxury and serenity, making it an ideal family home. Spanning an impressive 1,150 square meters, this expansive villa offers 825 square meters of meticulously designed living space. The residence features 4 spacious bedrooms with an ensuite bathroom. The price is at $1,799,000. Located just 5 minutes from Sanur Beach, 10 minutes to Bali Island School, and 5 minutes away to Little Stars Kindergarten, this villa embodies the essence of island living. Surrounded by lush green rice fields, this property is nestled in a peaceful neighborhood of Pajang, while being minutes away from Ubud Center, Montessori Erdkinder, Empathy School, and other well-known charm and top-class amenities. This villa is built on 1,359 square meters of freehold land, allowing a build-up of colonial-style villas with enough space for a vast outdoor space. The property consists of 3 buildings. The main building houses 3 bedrooms with an ensuite bathroom. The views are directed into seemingly endless rice paddies with a calm breeze to cheer up your day. In walking distance to Semagi Beach, this exquisite 4-bedroom villa offers a perfect blend of Balinese charm and modern comfort. A short drive to Canggu's trendy cafes, restaurants, beaches, and Bloom Boutique Atelier Preschool. This property is not only ideal for a tranquil lifestyle, but also presents a fantastic investment opportunity due to its strategic location. Embrace the best of Bali living in this peaceful yet accessible villa retreat. Lastly, An exceptional and one-of-a-kind countryside estate nestled in the prestigious Tabanan area, just a short drive away from the enchanting Canggu Beach with its captivating coastline and renowned surf spot, and 15 minutes drive away from Skywalker Academy. This oasis of tranquility, surrounded by breathtaking jungle landscapes, spanning 3,200 square meters of freehold land, features 4 bedrooms each with an ensuite bathroom. Its impeccable minimalist design, perfectly harmonizing with Bali's serene environment. Find your perfect Bali family escape. Contact us today for more information.